So, the successor to the Sony ZV-1F, better known as the Sony ZV-1F2, is set to be announced in a few days. Sony USA has already uploaded a teaser for the camera, and as we already know, the ZV-1F offers a lower price point, but it has significantly fewer features compared to other models. Then you just can't help but ask, what's the point of this successor? Well, it's expected that the ZV-1F2 will feature improved autofocus performance. To achieve this, it would be beneficial for Sony to incorporate a more advanced Bion series processor that can analyze the scene faster, resulting in quicker and more precise subject focusing. Another highly desirable improvement would be the inclusion of a stacked 1-inch sensor such as the IMX383, which would enhance the camera's sensor performance significantly. This is particularly feasible since Sony's imaging and semiconductor divisions belong to the same parent company, Sony. Now, these are all just our expectations, but we don't really think it was necessary for Sony to bring the ZV-1F2, if we're being honest. Sony ZV-1F is already a pretty compact camera designed for vloggers and content creators. It excels in producing high-quality videos and photos, and the key features include a large 1-inch sensor for better image quality, a wide-angle lens for capturing surroundings, and a flip-out touchscreen display for easy framing. It also has a built-in directional microphone, a bokeh switch for background blur control, and a product showcase setting for professional-looking product displays. The ZV-1F is user-friendly and relatively affordable, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious content creators seeking a versatile camera. So why another vlog camera? Just a few weeks ago, Sony announced the ZV-1, the first full-frame vlogging camera. With the full-frame sensor of it, you can even blur the background extensively, resulting in a more prominent subject compared to cameras that utilize smaller APS-C or Micro Four Thirds sensors. This was impossible to any vlogging camera even a few years ago. ZV-1 will be available at $2,200 for the body only. Canon also joined this market with the announcement of the PowerShot V10 recently. It has a 1-inch CMOS sensor and a wide-angle lens that's equivalent to 19mm, and the camera is capable of recording 4K video at a maximum frame rate of 30 FPS. Moreover, it comes with a built-in stand, a flip-out screen, and 2 stereo microphones of high quality, so it's a great vlogging option at a $430 price point. Now, the vlog-centric camera market is currently dominating the whole market. We really don't think Sony can push down the price more or add more features to distinguish it from its predecessor. As the sales volume of ZV-1F is lower than expectations, we think Sony wants to refurbish the old parts and try to earn back some investments. And if the successor is just a refined version of the older one, we recommend you to look for other options if you're into vlogging. Sony ZV-1F2 is set to be announced on May 23, 2023 officially, so what do you think about the upcoming Sony ZV-1F2? Do we really need another vlogging camera? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below, and of course, thanks for watching.